always loved fashion. Fashion has always been something that like was part of me and who I am. And I wanted to come and do this program to make sure fashion would be something for me and if I would like it. And I loved it. I see myself in the future. I don't know if like doing the fashion as a designer or something else. I still have to decide. But like having fashion as part of my life as it's always been.
I loved every single thing. I had so much fun and I learned many things that I didn't know before. I'm very happy about this experience and yeah, I love Istituto Marangoni.
It was all amazing. I need to say about the special people that I met that I'll never forget. My experience was great. I could see what fashion really is. And I was between law school and fashion school, but now I feel like I'm going to do fashion, and I'm really glad I did it because it's amazing, and I had an amazing experience, and I would definitely recommend anyone to do this because it's just perfect. You learn everything.